Hello, my name is Stephanie Ballesteros, and today we're going to watch a little bit Roman numbers. The Roman numbers they use to communicate and to transmit that information in the symbols. For example, the number 1 we know, normal numerical, that is the symbol. The number 5, this one, 10, that is the X, 50, L, 100, that is the letter C, 500, D, and 1000, that is the letter M. Okay, in this case, most of the people made a mistake and it's completely normal. If they want to write the number 4, they make like this, thinking that it's the number 4 and this is correct. But the thing is that it's not, this is wrong. The correct form to write the number 4 is like this. How we're going to know how to write this kind of number? For example, if we want to write 18, 20, in this case we have to use and know the rules. When we add and when we subtract, in this case, for example, 18, we know that 10, we are going to make the division 10 and 8. The number 10 is the symbol X that we have here, and the number 8 is B, 1, 2, and 3. And also, when we have, for example, if we want to write the number 55, in this case, the number 50 is represented by the letter L. And the number 5, like this one. How we are going to know it? First, we write the Roman number and then the numerical form. In this case, we know that the letter L is 50 and the letter B is 5. In this case, the letter L is greater than this one because it's 50. It's greater than the number 5. So in this case, what we have to do? We have to add. We know that if we add 50 plus 5 is 55. But in case, if we want to subtract or to know about a number that is least of the others, in the case of 28, we're going to do this one and then another one. 28, we know that the number 2, the number 20 is going to be represented by 2x. And the number 8, like this one. Okay, the other example that we have is when we are going to write about the number 90. In this case, we are going to use the subtraction rule. Why? We know that 90 is this one. This is represented by 10, and this is represented by 100. So this is very important to analyze because in this case we're going to know how to use the rule of addition and subtraction. In this case, we know that the number 9 is least of the number 10. So in this case, it's the same in here. So the thing that we're going to use is a subtraction. If we subtract, we're going to use the rule 100 minus 10, in this case, is going to be 90. That is the symbol that we have here. Okay, if we want to apply another example, it's important that you have in a construction paper or in your notebook these key numbers. I said key numbers because in here we have the secret of the Roman numbers. If we want to know how to write the number 70 and 75 or 80, the thing that we have to do is to use these kind of numbers. And also to know the numbers since 1 to 10. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we use this kind of Roman numbers, we have to know, for example, in this case, the number 4 in this, we know that this is the number 1 and this is the number 5. So in this case, to know that is the number 4, we have to subtract. So we are going to continue. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. Review. If you completely know the Roman number since the number 1 to the number 10 and also the number 1, 50, 100, 500, and 1000, you are completely sure that everything or every exercise that you are going to know using the rule of addition and subtraction, everything is going to be alright. So be careful, always pay attention when the number that is after is greatest or least. So in this case, this is a Roman numbers topic. I hope that you understand every single thing that I explained, and I hope that you are going to use in your daily life. Thank you.